What happens when you type a URL? A lot happens in milliseconds. We'll explore the 6 major steps: DNS lookup, TCP connect, HTTP request, server response, HTML, CSS/JS processing, and finally, page renders. Step 1 is the DNS lookup. DNS stands for Domain Name System. The browser finds the IP address for the domain name, similar to looking up a phone number in a phone book. The process involves a recursive resolver, root server, TLD server, and authoritative server until the IP address is found. Step 2 is the TCP connection and TLS handshake. The transmission control protocol establishes a reliable connection before data is sent. This process includes the 3-way handshake: SYN, SYN-ACK, and ACK. For HTTPS sites, a TLS handshake follows, establishing an encrypted tunnel through a 4-step key exchange. Step 3 is the HTTP request, where your browser asks the server for the web page resource. This usually involves an HTTP GET request to fetch data, specifying the host, requested page, and other details. Other HTTP methods include post to send data, put to update data, and delete to remove data. Step 4 is when the server responds. The web server processes your request and sends back an HTTP response, including status codes like 200 OK or 404 not found, header information, and the actual HTML document. The server processes the request using various components like static files, app server, database, or CDN cache. Step 5 involves parsing the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The browser builds the DOM tree from HTML for structure and the CSSOM from CSS for style. These steps trigger further requests for resources like images and scripts, with JavaScript parsing code and enabling dynamic behavior. Step 6 is page renders. The browser combines the DOM and CSSOM to create the render tree. The subsequent steps are layout, paint, and composite, resulting in the page you see fully loaded on your screen. This final stage is where all the previous work comes together visibly. The full journey is incredibly fast. These 6 steps, from DNS lookup to the page render, typically take around 135 milliseconds in total. All of this happens before you finish blinking. Here is a quick reference for the key protocols involved. DNS resolves domain names. TCP provides reliable, ordered delivery of data. TLS encrypts traffic. HTTP transfers hypertext. IP routes packets. And ARP maps IP addresses to MAC addresses on a local network. Caching makes everything faster after the first visit. Browser cache stores files locally. DNS cache remembers IP addresses. CDN cache uses edge servers closer to you. Server cache stores database results. Caching can reduce load time significantly, sometimes up to 93% on repeat visits.